Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mónica Pérez Ramírez Olvera. Ciudad de México, Cerral San Luis Potosí, Central Colony. I can buy fruit at supermarket. I can buy cake at Carlos house. I can buy bread at Borderay. I can buy map at Stater. I can buy gasoline at station. Where is the supermarket? It's next to Pablo house. Where is bakery? It's across from the Carlos house. Where is the drugstore? It's next to gas station. Where is restaurant? It's on the corner of Jimenez and Durazno. Where is drugstore? It's between Presa and Durazno. How do I get to drugstore? Walk up Doblado Street, turn left on Boulevard Avenue. It's on the left. How do I get to supermarket? Walk up Doblado Street, turn left on Fresa, turn left on Jimenez Avenue. It's on the left. How do I to gas station? Walk up Doblado Street, turn left on Durazno, turn left of Boulevard Avenue. It's on the left. How do head to bakery? Walk up Doblado, turn right on Bolivar Street, turn right of Boulevard Avenue. It's on right. How can I get to the Pablo house? Walk down Bolivar Street, to left Boulevard Avenue. It's on the left. Thank you.